Philippine Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte admits she did not review revisions to the new K-10 curriculum, citing her lack of background in the education sector.
Kasi alam ko isa ako sa nag-cause ng stress because I do not come from the education sector. I do not have an education background, so I cannot review what they are doing. And I rely on their expertise and all the stakeholders who did the review.
Only in the Philippines nga naman. I think it's time for President Marcos to replace VP Sara as Secretary of Education. He owes it to us as taxpayers to ensure that the best person, most knowledgeable, most competent person is running the Department of Education. Pamumulitika po ang pag-a-appoint ng tao na walang competency para sa posisyon. At ngayong may education crisis tayo, responsibilidad nyo pong siguraduhin na yung pinaka-competent person ang nakaupo sa Department of Education. Para nyo na rin sinabi na kung may construction project tayo, okay lang mag-hire ng foreman na walang idea sa construction. Di ba nakakatawa yun? And here, we are talking of our education sector. Kaya please lang, pakipalitan na po si VP Sara as Department of Education Secretary.